Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about software entitlements and we will do practical of importing software entitlement data into our instance. So let's get started. First of all, as you already know, that software entitlement information may be available in variety of formats. You might have your own records. You might need to obtain details from your vendors. You may need to sanitize the data and review how it will be imported. You can always download the template from your instance to see how your data should be presented to get it imported as an entitlement data into your instance. It is always recommended to download the import template each time you import, as there may be changes from release to release. So first of all, let me show you how this template is going to look and where we can go to download the template. So let's navigate to Software Asset Workspace. And here you can see Create Entitlement. So click on Create Entitlement. You have three options: guided step-by-step walkthrough, import multiple entitlements from an Excel file, the one that I will be doing, and the third one, fill out the details in a standard form. So yes, of course, we can manually enter the details of the entitlement by filling out the form, but this is not the practical approach with many entitlements details to be added. So if you have to add a lot of details, definitely you should import multiple entitlement from an Excel file. So let's click on this one. And here you see download template. So let's first download the template and see how it looks. Let us see the template. So this is how the instructions are given. You can see each column matches a field in the target table. The column heading identifies the purpose of the field. Each row corresponds to a record in the target table. So let's go to page 1 and this is how your template looks like. Shift Control right arrow, and we have 35 columns here in this template, which includes publisher part number, publisher, product, version, edition, platform, language, condition name, purchased. You can download the template and have a look into what are the details that you can add when you have to import your entitlement data into your environment, in your instance. Next, let us import the data. But before that, let us dig into some theory of software entitlement. Software entitlement provides license details that define the user rights. So they may play a part in determining your compliance position as well. Whether a user using a given software application has been correctly licensed to use that application. Entitlement records contain a lot of critical data that must be managed. Software entitlement details are a vital component of software asset management. They identify how many rights are purchased for using the software in the environment. Why should we use entitlement? So, for a software asset manager, it is a go to place because it helps the manager to address if overall license allotment is exceeded. He can address this problem by either removing unauthorized data or ordering more licenses. Further, it helps manager to identify if license allotment is not being entirely used. In that case, manager can respond by lowering the number of licenses purchased in the future. Let us continue with the import. So here, just to show you again, we navigated to Software Asset Workspace, and from the Asset Overview, we clicked on Create Entitlement, and here now we will import the file. We will attach the file. So now we will import the data. We will attach the file, the entitlement import file here. I'll just select the file and now import. So this will take some time. So now after the import is finished, you can go to entitlement table and see. So these are your updated just right now. These are your entitlements that has been imported into your system, and it is now here in the software entitlement table. Now let us dig into some important key terms used in software asset management, starting with discovery pattern. It is used to discover software installations. Software asset management automatically leverages SQL Server, Exchange, and Oracle database discovery patterns. But you can perform steps for software asset management to utilize additional discovery patterns if needed. Software installation. Software installed in your environment that discovery identifies and automatically populates into software installation. And this table is cmdb underscore sam underscore sw underscore install. So let me just put it here. So software installation table, it will automatically populate. cmdb underscore sam underscore sw underscore install is the table. Next, software discovery model. Software discovery model. So software discovery model automatically created during discovery or import process to identify and normalize the software installed in an environment. There is a difference between software models and software discovery models. Next is software discovery map. This is a predefined set of conditions that determine which software discovery models get mapped to which software models. So this discovery map is like a bridge between the software discovery model and the software model. Next is pattern normalization rule. It is used to normalize specific software products within an environment based on a common pattern. Normalization status. It identifies the level of normalization match based on publisher, product, and version. So based on these three data, it identifies the level of normalization match. Then is normalization suggestion, provided automatically when there is variance detected between standard normalization and a discovery model that has been manually normalized. So when you manually normalize discovery model, in that case, any variance that is detected, because of that, this normalization suggestion is automatically created to highlight those differences. So when you manually update software discovery model data, it is called manual normalization. So, this is all the key terms that you require to know when and where you get to see these terms when you're using your software asset management application. So, this is all about this video. I hope it was helpful, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.